So if you remember at the beginning, all the hard drives together came out to about $3.82, if I remember correctly. Let's see how much we're going to end up now. Right, splitting everything up. Alright, see, how's one of those arms that you have to unscrew from the top. There's actually no, it might not be. I didn't unscrew the board behind, so let's see. Nope. It unscrews from the top. So we got our board with all the gold stuff on it. That's what you guys do. Let's unscrew some of this stuff first. Oh, the magnet. There you go. Yeah, so it was already. That already unscrewed it. The arm. This is being held by the magnets. Alright, let's get the copper. So pretty much came out to 16 bucks an hour. So not a bad way to make some money if you think about it. How many places do you know that pay $16 an hour? So like I said, in the description, I'm going to look on eBay to see how much the magnets go for and how much the platters go for. Like I said, I used to remember these used to go for about 50 cents per pair, and the platters I only sold once, so I don't recall how much I sold them for, but I think if I remember correctly they would go for about $1 a piece. So in the description I'll put that information, add a little extra to the video.